Hey everyone, Katie here. I am battling a cold and just not feeling well today, but I really wanted to go on here and just talk about my magic folder, which is how I handle a lot of my paperwork. So if you know me, you know I've talked about paperwork quite a bit. I've had it under control for quite a bit of years and I follow the same system. I haven't changed it, haven't deviated. So in my basement, unfinished part, I have some file folders with some long-term storage things. Tax returns, medical records, any medical bills I get for the year I put in there, our cat's vaccination stuff, rabies shots, that kind of stuff. It's over there in the unfinished part. And then all I keep for myself that I keep in my office is what I call the magic folder. And these are things that I need access to sometime in the next couple months. So I don't want to put it in long-term storage. I want access to it all the time. So I wanted to cover what I keep in here because today's challenge is paperwork. So I wanted to look at and show you what I have in here so you kind of get an understanding of what things could go in there. If your kid's in sports, you might have done raffle tickets. So I have these sweepstakes tickets in case we win some money. We haven't yet, but you never know. I check it like not daily, but almost daily to see the results. I have that in there. I have a speech I'm working on for this weekend for my Women's Day event in Appleton. So that's in there. I do monthly meal planning, so I have March's empty, and then I also have February's meal plan, and I keep that in there so I can easily access it. For the meal plan, I also keep a photo shot of it on my phone so that I can look at it at any time if people are asking what's for dinner, or I just want to see what I need to prep for dinner is on my phone. I also post to social media quite a bit, so I have calendars for March and one for April. I need to start filling these out and getting some content scheduled. I have my mortgage slip. I just paid it, but I keep the latest bill in here, and then I recycle. I have some donation things that I got in the mail that I want to donate to. Next month, I have to send in my car registration. I'll keep it this way. This is my password list. So I keep a paper password list, but this is all my passwords. This I can actually get rid of, but my son's getting his first Eucharist. We're Catholic. So this was paperwork we had to fill out, but I think I got all this scheduled, so I think we're good with that. A letter from my accountant. I want to keep all their information on hand until all the tax stuff is done. Again, I'm working on things for my business, so this is different blog posts on my blog that I actually want to update. I used to blog a lot. I need to get back into it because it was a lot of fun and I really enjoyed writing. So things I want to work on. If your kids are in school and they've ever done Dreambox, this is our, that would stain, really cares, right? This is our access passcodes. Just some fun things. Like this is a Oshkosh Parks, where we want to go, different parks we've been to. I have stuff for the Women's Day Challenge I'm doing on Saturday, the speaking engagement, all the paperwork from that. After this is over, this will go out of this folder. I have, what's this? More of that. I have a lovely aunt who's my godmother, and she has stamps that she'd like to receive someday. So I kept a list of that in case I ever see them. A card that I want to send to a friend. And this is a parking ticket for tolls in, I think, St. Louis or Kansas City. We went to Wichita. We paid it, but then he said you might still get a bill, so keep this on hand. So I keep that in there too. So yeah, that's all I have in my magic folder. Everything in there is relevant, things I might need over the next couple months. Hope that is helpful. If you have any ideas of what you could put in your magic folder, feel free to share it. Or if you just want to ask me more questions about paperwork or how I handle it, feel free to message me on that. All right, guys, have a great day.
Hey y'all, so I thought it'd be helpful to share my other spot where I keep paperwork, just so you can see the exact two spots where I keep paperwork. So you saw my magic folder, and then this is my unfinished basement part. It's actually not very exciting, but I keep taxes and like medical bills from the last couple of years right here in this drawer. And then down here, I keep kind of like long-term storage. This is all I got, you guys. We're a family of 5. I have 3 kids. We have pets. Everything is kept right here. Right? Awesome. Obviously, we do have passports, social security cards, that kind of stuff. That is kept in a fireproof box upstairs. And then I will say, I do have like a white box that has everything from when we built our house. All that kind of documentation that I just want to keep all together. And I'm just going to keep it in the white box because it works and it fits up there. So yeah, that's all I have for paperwork. I hope that's helpful. Drop me any comments or questions that you might have.